Nice ride! Props to you, bro.
Oh, for sure.
That thing holds up good. There's a GoPro battery. It's getting better in Michigan. We're 1 week past Super Coops. And now we're gonna do some more riding on the DR, but with all our buddies. The Barn Goons. We're gonna scrape our knee. Here we go. Nah, I ain't that good. This is a super nice area. You know, there's people that I grew up with that don't like it, but I love this area. There's still a little here, and that's a good thing. Wow. See, this has all been redone. That is awesome. I can't wait for the boys to get their machines and ride on this. Sadly, I have street tires and this is it's so slippery. Very slippery, but a lot of fun. If I had a couple Dunlop D606s on this thing, oh man, it would be perfect. This thing is basically stock besides the pumper carb, so I mean, if I like got an exhaust that doesn't weigh 20 pounds and can breathe, this thing would rip. I love it. Mr. Follow, sir. Wow. Hello, fellas. What are you guys doing?
He still wants me to change the headlight and shit.
Fuck
How's
that.
my dog?
Dog's badass.
You're a beefcake.
You beefcake. I was trying to run around and get him to do shit, but
We got a pair of shoes out of a storage unit that Whitney's got a $200 offer on right now.
that's
He's
badass.
asking $275 for them. Literally like since noon.
Dude, you got baller status. Ballin'. I can't believe you don't want to rip the go-kart. That makes me so sad, dude. But I get it. Rolling on dubs. Give her a rev, buddy. Nice. That is sick. Nice ride! Props to you, bro.
Oh, for sure.
That thing holds up good.
Yeah.
Let's go. How's she running, boss?
Pretty good. I got on it for a second.
Yeah?
It was cool. Fucking cool, dude. I built that. On the barn floor, dude.
Excellent.
Small block, low power work.
Perfect property. It's a bicycle, let's go! Come on, do something! Do something! Why aren't you going? There he is. She did so good, dude.
Fucking, you know how I put my plate on?
Yes.
I never fucking wrench tightened.
Oh.
So when I could hear it rattling around, I had to keep stopping and hand tightening these back up again. What's up? No, man. Everyone thinks the worst, dude. Thinks the worst with Derek situation. No, it's all good. No problem.
Dude, this thing was hauling ass. That's why I kept wanting to go in behind you, because I knew this thing was getting all the shots, dude. And I was like, it's fucking badass. It's a Honda commercial, dude. It's sweet.
I mean, I guess.
I love it.